You'll be shocked how much people are making on Fiverr doing almost nothing. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 simple gigs anyone can do on Fiverr that requires zero skill, zero knowledge, zero experience, and even a toddler can do these 3 things. I will show you the 3 gigs. I will show you how much people are making on a daily basis doing these gigs, and I'm going to show you a website where you can do all of them with just a click of a button. Guys, with a click of a button, you get this task done, deliver it to your client, and you get paid a minimum of $5 each time you do this. This is a perfect definition of a free PayPal money, and anybody can jump on this. You know I'm rooting for you, so any information that will bring money into your pocket, I'll bring it your way. What are friends for? Here on Fiverr, this is where you're going to get people that will pay you to do this simple task. The first one is remove background. So remove background from image. If you open it, let me show you people that are making a lot of money doing this, and I will go on to show you a website where you are going to do this task with just a click of a button. You get this task done and you submit to your client, collect your money. It's called free PayPal money. Anybody can do this. Look at this. If you remove background from image just in 2 hours, this one says I will cut out, remove background from your image. Now you see what I mean? So this is the before picture, this is the after picture. This is before picture and this is after picture. So this is possible to remove this background image. Now when you look at this kind of gigs, the first thing that comes to your mind is like you need to have the skill. It does not require a skill to remove a background from an image. And I'm going to show you a website that will help you do that. Let's look at how much they charge. They charge $5 each. This is before image, this is after image, $5 all. So they are all charging $5. Now you can do all of this, and I'm going to show you how it is done. A lot of businesses require this service, especially the product-based business. When they get pictures online, they want to remove the background, so to make the picture very professional and looking very good. So these are where people are getting this task. If you look at this person has done 666 of this task. This person has done 65. You have 178. You have 231, 639, 499, 1000 plus, and the rest of them. So let's look at how do you remove this background. The website that we do that is called Remove DG. Check the description of this video for a link to go to the website. Okay, so look at this. All you need to do is, once you get this gig, come over here and upload the image that was sent to you by your client. With a click of a button, click on upload, and it's going to open for you to select the picture that you want to remove the background. Okay, you can go down here and select any of the picture. Let's use this as example. You click open and it's going to open. It uploads, and as soon as it finishes uploading, it will remove the background. Now the background has been removed. All you need is download this image here. Click on download here. It's going to download to your gadget, and you send it to your client. Collect the money. You can do this with your mobile phone. So even if you don't have a laptop, it's not a limitation, because you can do this with your mobile phone. Okay, so that's the first gig. Now this is plain white background. When you download this image and open it, it's going to be on a plain white background. Second gig that will make you a lot of money doing almost nothing. Let's look at it. So let's come over here on Fiverr and then look for the second gig that you can do without any skill, no experience, no knowledge at all. It's called change image background. Change image background. So look at it. So this is change image background. Let's look at people that are taking the task. You can see a whole lot of them. This is the before and after. These are different colors. So the client gives you the image and tells you the exact color he or she wants you to put for him. So you're going to scroll down here. You can see different colors before and after. So this is before, it was plain background, and after, the person added these pictures. Believe me, you can add something more amazing than this with a click of a button. Now look at the prices these guys are charging here. This one is charging $5. This one is $10. Oh, that's $5. Most of them are charging $5. You can imagine getting this task with a click of a button. You are making $10, maybe 3 or 4 gigs a day. Okay, so how do you do this? Come over to remove BG here. Okay, so to change this background color, now all you need is click on this edit button here, and it's going to have these options. Here are different backgrounds you can use for this image. Okay, you can go on and select the one that you like here, or that your client will like, and then apply it, send to him or her,
and collect your money. It's that easy. It's that simple. Now if you scroll down here, there are a whole lot of them here. You scroll down, you see a whole lot of them. Select the one you want, download the image, and send to your customer. The client might require you put just a plain color. So to do that, come over here and click on this color here. With this color palette, you go on and select colors you want, apply it, and download the image. The work is done. Okay, so here's another idea for you. With this, you don't need to pay for passport anymore. You can snap yourself with your phone. Come over here with the remove BG, you remove the background and fix the passport background of any color you want. The work is done. You go on and download it. So now that it's done, all you need is come over here and click on download button here. Download it, send it to your clients, and collect your $5. Is that simple? Is that easy? The third gig is banner. So let's look at people that are already taking the task. Okay, and I think they are charging higher than even the first two we've seen. So this person is charging $15, this person is charging $30, $35, $10, $20. I will design a roll-up banner, pull up, event banner, banner ads. I will create any size banner. I will design awesome looking web banner, flyer, Facebook ad, and cover. So now if you look at these gigs, the first thing that will come to your mind is that you don't have graphic design skill. It's a website I'm going to show you now. You can design this banner and send to your client, collect the money. Okay, so this one is charging $100 for this one is charging $50, this one is charging $25 for these gigs. Now how do you design it? The website that will do this for you is called Canva. Now link to Canva is in the description of this video. If you don't have Canva account yet, click on the link, the second link in the description of this video. Sign up for a Canva account, and then you can design anything you want for yourself, and it's absolutely free. The best part of Canva is that it has pre-made template, so you don't have to go start designing from scratch. Just pick the one you want, change colors, add or remove something, download the image or whatever it is. The work is ready. Okay, so when we come over here, we want to design banner, so we're going to look for banner. So Canva is going to show us pre-designed banners we can use. Just change colors, change pictures, and everything is done. Now if you look at this, some of them are not free. Anyone that has Crown is not free, so go for the ones that are free, so you can download, so you can design it and download absolutely free without paying anyone. Okay, so let's use this one as example. This one is free, so we are going to select this one, allow it to open. Once it opens, we go on and add the pictures and text your client sent to you for the banner design. Okay, so over here now, all you need is just click on this text and change it to what you want. Let's say I want to say welcome. Okay, so you have that. You can change the font. If you don't like this font, go on and change the font that you like, apply it, and the work is done. Okay, change all of this text to whatever the text your client gave to you. Then you can change the picture, you can change the background color and everything. As soon as you're done, download it and send to your client. Now let's add picture. So let's go on and add a picture here. Or to add a picture, all you need to do, come over to this place and click on upload. If the client sends you a picture to add to the banner, when you click on upload, it's going to open for you to upload the picture. Okay, come over here and click on upload media, and then it's going to take you to your computer or your phone where the image you want to use is already saved. Open it, select it, and then add it to this banner, and the work is done. You can also come over here to the photos and select Canva samples that are free here, and then you add it. But so let me add my own picture here. Let me use my picture for the design. So come over here and select my picture here. You drag it to fit. Okay, remember to change the text. So this text, I don't want it, I can just remove it. Then I want to change this background. Maybe the client has a brand color and they ask you to use a specific color. Come over here and select the color you want, and then change this text. Write whatever you want to write here. Change the colors. You can change the color of the text, you can change the fonts, you can even change the size of the text. Like you can make it bolder or make it smaller. Drag it anywhere you want, and the work is done. Guys, the work is done. and you just download this. Once you're done designing it, come over here and click on this button that says download. Once you click, let me quickly drag my paste out here so you can see this. Now menu, so once you click on download here, a drop down menu appears. Select this and go for JPEG. That's because JPEG is better when it comes to using pictures. So click on this button that says download, and this flyer will be downloaded to your phone or to your laptop. Go on and send it to your clients and get paid for doing this simple task. It's amazing, and it's the easiest way to get started, especially if you don't have a special skill you can use to make money. This is easy and anybody can do it. I hope you got value from this. Please give this video a thumbs up. If you don't have a Fiverr account and you would like to learn how to set up a Fiverr account and even how to create gigs on Fiverr, drop a comment in the comment section, and if I get a lot of requests, I will create a full tutorial on how to sign up on Canva, as well as how to set up a gig that you can start making money from as soon as possible. I hope you got value from this. Please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. Remember to hit the subscribe button if you've not. See you in my next video. Bye.